Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you the process of reinstalling the Microsoft Store on your Windows system. Whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, this solution will work for both operating systems. Let's get started. First, open your browser. Search for LTSC Add Microsoft Store. In the search results, click on the first link by GitHub that says Add Microsoft Store. Once you are there, locate the Download Zip button and click on it. The file will start downloading. After the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder and locate the zip file. Next, extract the contents of the zip file. You can use any extraction tool of your choice or simply right-click on the file and select Extract All. Choose a folder where you want the files to be extracted. Once the extraction is complete, open the folder where the files have been stored. Before proceeding to the next step, you need to enable developer mode on your system. To do this on Windows 11, go to Settings, then navigate to System. In the system, scroll down to look for the option called For Developers. Once you find the developer mode toggle, enable it by clicking on it. Confirm any prompts that appear and ensure developer mode is active. Now, return to the extracted folder. Locate a file named add-store.cmd. Right-click on this file and select Run as Administrator. This is a crucial step to ensure the script runs with the necessary permissions. The script will begin executing, and you may see some messages or warnings during the process. Ignore these and let the script complete its task. The script will install the required components, such as the Microsoft Store, App Installer, and other dependencies. Be patient, as this process may take a few minutes to finish. Once the installation is complete, you will see a message saying, "Press any key to exit." Press the space bar or any other key to close the command prompt. To confirm that the Microsoft Store has been successfully reinstalled, go to your Start menu and check for the app. You should now see the Microsoft Store icon in your list of apps. Open it to ensure it is functioning properly. That's how you reinstall the Microsoft Store on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.